voices in my mind, and all I hear is danger. Danger, danger, danger. Danger, danger,
Okay, so welcome to this sea ice update, where we will first look at this graph, and we've gone down now to 17.4 thousand cubic kilometers for the 30-year ice volume average. And you can see that since the last time back in June, we've gone just followed on down about the same pace as last time, and this graph is based on every day of data for the Arctic sea ice volume back to January 1979. So it's like a 42-year total record of sea ice. And some of us think it is going down because we've passed the point of no return, and other people do not. And for the 30-year average, which we see here, it's a green 0.8 line, the current pace of decline of 0.8 cubic kilometers per day from the 30-year average will take us to a half-year ice-free Arctic Ocean by 2049. That's if the same pace is kept every day till 2049. Not very likely, but that's the speed of things. And we also have faster averages that decline faster at 1 cubic kilometer per day. That's the 25-year and 20-year average, which go to 0 for a half year by 2043 or 44. And we also have the 7-year average, which is the shortest term average to go to 0 by 2049. So for this update, I haven't really prepared a climate COPE update or a climate COPE rant, but suffice to say, we're coming very close now to the big COPE event of the year, the COPE26 in Glasgow in Scotland, and that's where all the COPE children go for Christmas, and it's pretty absurd to be observing really that all of these fake groups and all these bright green lie people, all the clean energy people and all the geoengineering people, the fix me please people are going there, and they're kind of super keen to go there and get more money for their particular destructive projects. And yeah, I saw a video last night about fixing the methane, the small methane problem. And what was great in that video was that there is a growing resistance movement in the Arctic, in the among the indigenous peoples of Sami, Scandinavia, and Inuit, Canada, and Greenland, and Sami and other groups in Siberia, who just won't have it. They are actively resisting, many of them, to go along with these schemes for fixing the problem that industrial society created in the first place, and they feel kind of railroaded into just, giving up their land and their air and their sea for these purposes. So it's kind of sad, but it's good to see there is some resistance coming up. And yeah, I'll be watching the COPE26 also to reminisce about the old days as a climate activist, in the decades when I believed in that kind of thing. So watching whatever happens in the field of climate activism, just for old time's sake, in my case. So other than that, it's a fantastic night here in Greenland with very active dancing, northern lights, and yeah, just makes you want to go out on your skis or go out with your rifle and go hunting or experience nature in some kind of way. Okay,